Today we are sewing up the Seaside Tank. This is the newest pattern from Mama Can Do It. I'm Chantel, and let's get started. So this version that I'm going to make is going to include a shelf bra. I have cut out both the front and back shelf bra pieces along with the bands for that. The first thing we're going to do here is sew up the side seams. So I have the tank placed right sides together, and I'm going to just pin along those side seams. Next we are going to place the bodice right sides together, and I'm going to pin or clip all the way down the side seam on both sides of the dress. If you are adding a split hem to your dress, you're going to want to sew the split hem first and then finish the side seam per the instructions. Next we are going to place our neckband and two armbands right side together. We are going to take the neckband, the two armbands, the shelf bra, and the tank over to the machine and sew up those side seams and the ends of each band. So the next step in the shelf bra is to add the elastic along the bottom hem. We are going to cut the elastic to size, exercise it a bit, and then butt the two ends together and sew them using a wide zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. Now that we have that elastic sewn, we are going to quarter it and mark those quarter points. We are also going to quarter the bottom of the shelf bra. And then we're going to take our elastic and align all of those quarter points. Now that we have those quarter points lined up, we are going to take this over to our sewing machine and stretching only the elastic as we sew to be the same length as the shelf bra. Now that we have the elastic attached to the shelf bra, we are going to fold it up toward the wrong side of the shelf bra, and then we are going to top stitch along that inner edge 1/8 of an inch. As you're folding up the elastic, make sure that your gathers are perpendicular and laying very nicely along that edge. And again, as we sew, we're going to just slightly stretch that to be the same length as the shelf bra. We are now adding the shelf bra to the tank. We're going to place the tank and the shelf bra wrong sides together, and we're going to align this at the shoulder seams. We're also going to align the shelf bra and tank along the arm side and neckline. An optional step here would be to baste the layers into place so that when you're adding the armbands later, it just makes it a little bit easier and prevents anything from sliding around on you. Now that we have those shoulder seams pinned together, we're going to stitch them. Now that we have the shoulder seams attached, we are going to find the quarter points of the neckline. We are also going to find the quarter points of our neck band. You're going to turn the tank right sides out, and we're going to align the quarter points of the neckband with the quarter points of the neck opening. The neckband will be slightly smaller than the tank neckline, and as you sew, you're going to stretch the band to be the same length as your neck opening. So now that we have the neckband sewn on, we are going to repeat those same steps with the armbands. So we are going to find the quarter points of the arm openings. We are now folding the armbands in half widthwise, and we are going to find the quarter points of each of our bands. Next, we are going to take our bands right sides together and align those quarter points. So now that we have those armbands sewn into place, I am just going to give this a quick press. The final step here is to hem the bottom of your dress, so I am folding this up 1 inch along the bottom and pressing it to hold into place. We are going to stitch 1/8 of an inch from that inner raw edge along the bottom.